To prevent end cap strikes, you really want to use the correct mounting device. So for handguns with a tilting barrel, you're going to want to use your booster system. If you use a fixed barrel mounting system on a tilting barrel, you're going to get an end cap strike or damages to your suppressor. This is because the suppressor isn't moving with the barrel of the firearm. The same goes for a fixed barrel firearm with using a booster system while you're using the fixed barrel firearm. So installing a booster system on your fixed barrel firearm, the suppressor is going to bounce back and forth, damaging the suppressor because the barrel also isn't moving. With that being said, you're going to want to use a fixed mount or a 3-lug device that doesn't move when you're shooting. I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below.